Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus, I'm going to show you how to get access to the battery on this device and also how to remove it. It is very easy with the Galaxy S25 series. The first thing to do is to hit the back glass of this Galaxy S25 Plus in order to get access to the internals. I heated the back of this device for 1 minute at 1100 Fahrenheit and the air output was at 50%. Once that has been done, you will need a suction cup in order to separate the back glass from the frame of the device. After you see a small opening, you insert a guitar pick and you start moving the guitar pick on 4 corners of this device. This will separate the back glass from the frame of this S25 Plus so that you can have access to the internals of this device. Obviously, the back glass on this device is intact. It doesn't have any cracks. If yours have a crack, you might need a razor blade in order to separate the back glass and the frame of the device so that you can start using the guitar pick. Because with a broken back glass, a suction cup is not going to work. I simply moved the guitar pick on the 4 corners of this device. After that, I can simply remove the back glass from the S25 Plus. It is time to turn the device off because we are going to work on the component on this device. Before you can access the battery, you can see it, but you do not have access to it. You need to remove the wireless charging coil, which is the one that I am removing right now. While doing this, make sure that you do not entangle the guitar pick or the tool with one of the flex cable that connect the top to the bottom. If you do that, you might damage one of those flex cable. So make sure that you're careful while trying to remove the wireless charging coil assembly. The flex cable connected to the motherboard is at the top of the wireless coil assembly. This is the one that I removed. Then I proceeded in the removal of the wireless charging. One thing that you can do to make it easier is to remove the screws on this metallic plate first. After that, you can simply remove both at the same time, the wireless charger assembly and this metallic plate. Right now, we have access to all the flex cables, especially the one for the battery. You need to disconnect the flex cable for the battery first. After that, you need to disconnect the other flex cables in order to have access to the battery. Do not use a metallic tool to disconnect the battery cable, which can cause a short and damage your device. Use a plastic tool for that or use your finger. So right now, we have access to the battery on this Galaxy S25 Plus. You will need to undo all the plastics that are covering the battery. It is very easy. It is like a letter. You need to open all the 4 sides of the letter and then take the content out. This is the same concept that Samsung has done for the battery on their S25 series. Previously, there was pull tabs that you need to pull in order to take the battery out with a lot of force. Sometimes it works. Most of the time, it doesn't work. This is why they did this design change on the battery installation and removal on the S25 series. As you can see, this one is pretty easy. Taking the battery out and installation of a new battery might be very easy, but the difficult part is removing the back glass and then working your way to access the battery. Reinstallation should be in the reverse order, except if you have a new plastic that comes with the new battery.